got a non-calculator trigonometry question here. First of all, I've got fx and I want to just integrate fx. Now I'm not using the calculator, and in fact it wants me to do this without a calculator, and this looks an extremely difficult one to do, but I'm going to use substitution. So first of all, I'm going to just call u the thing on the bottom. Now if you're not quite sure about this, they come with practice, and you recognize the substitution you're going to use with practice, and finding that substitution is the hardest thing. After that, it's just a few steps that need to be done. If you've got u, you're just going to go du by dx. So you're going to differentiate, not integrate, but differentiate this, so it gives me 4x. Now I'm going to make dx the subject of the equation. So this happens every single time once you found your u. So making dx the subject of the equation means that it's du divided by 4x. Now I'm going to replace dx here with this. So it's going to become fx. So I'm going to actually just do this whole thing out again. So it's going to be 2x. All of that's going to be divided by the thing on the bottom, which is actually u. And the dx now becomes this. du divided by 4x. Now, the x's will cancel. 2 divided by 4 gives me a half. And I'm left with du divided by u. I have no x's. So basically I'm integrating with respect to u. And that equals log u plus c, and I've got the half outside. So half log u. So that's the first one done. Now if I look at this, I've got an area for b, and I know that the exact area is log 5. It goes from 0 to q. So basically this here, which is a half, and now I'm going to take log, it's log u, remember, but it's not actually u, and I should have actually filled this in here. It's log 2x squared plus 3, because that's what the u value is. That's what I should have left this as a final answer a minute ago. Between q and 0 equals log 5. Now I don't need to see because I've got limits. Well, first thing I'm going to do is this half, I'm going to times both sides by 2. So I'm going to start a new page, times both sides by 2, so it's going to give me log 2x squared plus 3 with the limits q and 0 equals 2 log 5. Now 2 log 5 is log 25. That's our log rules with it being squared. Now I'm going to put the q into here. So basically I've got log 2q squared plus 3. Now I'm going to put in 0. When 0 goes in, it's going to give me log 3. And this is going to equal log 25. I'm going to add log 3 to both sides. So it becomes 2 log 2q squared plus 3 equals log 25 add log 3. Now when I have this as an addition, this is basically log 75. I can times them both together. So I'm looking for this 2q squared plus 3 equals 75. Take 2 from both sides. Sorry, 3 from both sides. 72. Divide both sides by 2. 36. And q equals 6. I'm not going to take the minus 6 because it's got to be bigger than 0. So in the end, this came to be in a lot of algebra and a lot of work with logs, starting with an integration.